Okay friends, so in this lesson we are going to solve from question number 2, 3 and 4. So in the previous class we have learned the question number 1, right? So in this lesson we are going to solve some problems that are based on arithmetic progressions. So now question number 2. So write first 4 terms of AP when A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10, friends. See friends, he is asking us to find the first 4 terms, right? So he is given the A. What is A, friends? A means the first term, right? So what is the common difference? So common difference is 10. So according to AP, what is the first term, friends? A, right? So second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. And the fourth term is A plus 3D. So this is already you know, right? So it is a general formula, general form, right? So the general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. But he is asking us to find first 4 terms, friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So n up to A plus 3D. See friends, already we have A value and a D value. Just simply substitute the values of A and D. So they will you will get the first 4 terms. So A is equals to 10, right? So instead of A, I am writing 10. So second term is A plus D. So A is 10 and D is 10. Next, A is 10 plus 2 into D. So 2 into 10. So third term is A plus 3D. So A value is 10 and 3 into D value is 10. Okay friends, hope you understood. So nothing I have did, just simply substitute the values of A and D in the general form. So here 10 means 10. So 10 plus 10 will be 20. And see friends, here 10 plus 2 tens are 20, right? So 20 plus 10, 30. So here 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 10 will be 40. Okay friends. So he is asking us to find first 4 terms. So first term, that means A1 is equals to 10. And the second term, A2 is equals to 20. Third term is equals to 30. And the fourth term is equals to 40. So this is what he has asked us to find. Okay friends. Hope you understood. So just remember the general form. So general form is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So he has given A value and D value. Simply substituted the values of A and D, you will get the first 4 terms. So let me move on to the problem number 2, right? So problem number 2. So the problem number 2, the values which has given is A is equals to, right? A is equals to minus 2 and D is equals to 0, friends. So he has given A value minus 2 and the D value 0. So first 4 terms are what? What are the first 4 terms? A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D, right? So these are the first 4 terms, right? So A, what is the value of A? Minus 2. What is the value of A plus D? So A is minus 2 and D is 0. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, right? So A plus 2D. So A value is minus 2 plus 2 into D value 0. So 2 into 0 will be 0. So 0 plus minus 2 will be again minus 2. So A plus 3D, right? So A plus 3D means the value of A is minus 2 and we have 3 here, 3. The value of D is 0. So 3 into 0 will be 0. So 0 plus minus 2 will be minus 2. So therefore the first 4 terms are minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay friends, hope you understand. Okay friends, let me move on to the problem number 3. So here the value of A is 4 and the value of D is equals to minus 3. So he is asking to first 4 terms, right? So what are the first 4 terms? So first term is A and the second term is A plus D and the third term is A plus 2D and the fourth term is A plus 3D, right? This is the general formula, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So now substitute the values of A value and D value. A is equals to given 4. So A plus D, friends. So value of A is 4 plus the value of D is minus 3, right? Okay friends. So plus into minus, minus. So 4 minus 3, it will be 1, right? So plus into minus, minus, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So next third term, a plus 2d. The value of a is 4 and we have plus here, plus 2, value of d is minus 3. So I am writing minus 3. So plus into minus, minus, so 2 3s are 6. So we will have 4 minus 6. Okay friends, hope you understood. So plus into minus, minus. So 4 minus 2 into 3, 6. So 4 minus 6, what is the value? So minus 2, right? So because 6 is bigger, before 6 we have 2. So 6 minus 4 will be 2. So we have minus symbol before 6. So minus 2 is the answer. So a plus 3d. So value of a is 4 and 3. So value of d is minus 3. So here plus into minus, minus. So 4 minus 3 3s are 9. So again 9 minus 4 will be 5. But 9 is bigger. Before 9 we have minus. So put minus. So always remember what is the sign before the bigger number, you will get the same sign. See here 9 is bigger. Before 9 we have minus. So minus we will get. See friends, here 4 and 3. So 4 is a bigger number. Before 4 what we have plus. So the final result will be plus. So always remember whatever the sign which is there in front of a bigger number, then the final result will be the same sign. So therefore the first four terms are friends 4 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 5. Okay, hope you understood. The first four terms are 4 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 5. So let me move on to the problem number 4, so for problem number 4, the values of a and d are, so a is equals to minus 1 and d is equals to 1 by 2. Okay friends, the value of a is minus 1 and d is equals to 1 by 2. So what is the general form? A plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. So these are first four terms, right? So let us write this. A1 is equals to a, the second term a2 is equals to, the third term a3 is equals to, fourth term a4 is equals to. Okay friends? So nothing I have. So a1, these are what? Four terms, right? The first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So substitute the values of a and d. So a is minus 1. So I am writing minus 1. So here we have a plus d, right? So value of a is minus 1 plus value of d is 1 by 2, right? So value of d is 1 by 2. So here, so nothing is there. So LCM is 1. So 2 comma 1, the LCM is 2. So one table we have 2. So minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. So we have plus, we have 1 here, 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So bigger number is 2. Before 2 we have minus. So answer is minus 1 by 2. Okay friends, see here minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So if nothing is there, the LCM is denominator is 1. So LCM of 1 comma 2 is 2. So in one table we have 1 2s are 2, right? So minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So denominator we have to, I have written as it is. Next a plus 2d, right? So value of a is minus 1 and 2. The value of d is 1 by 2. So these two and these two get cancelled because it is in the numerator and it is in the denominator. So finally we have minus 1 plus 1. So it will be 0. So minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. So 0. Next a plus 3d. So value of a is minus 1 plus 3 into the value of d. D is 1 by 2, right? So whenever nothing is there, the LCM, the denominator is 1. So 1 comma 2, the LCM is 2. So in one table we have 2. So minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2 plus 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 1 by 2. So therefore the first four terms are, first one is minus 1 and the second one is minus 1 by 2. Third one is 0 and the next one is 1 by 2. Okay friends? So in this way, so whenever he has given the value of a and value of d, then you can find easily, right, number of terms. First four terms means up to a plus 3d. Suppose if he has to find first 5 terms, so you must write up to a plus 4d. So first four terms are a1, a2, a3, a4. So let me move on to the big number 3. Problem number 3, friends. So for the following AP, write the first term and a common difference. So he has given the AP 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 3 comma so on. So our target is to find first term and common difference, right? So what is first term? First term means A1. So what is common difference? Common difference means already you know it is capital small d. So d means A2 minus A1. So to find d A2 minus A1, so write in terms of A1, A2, A3, friends. So first step is write A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 comma so on, right? So this is an AP, right? So here A1 means what? First term. A2 means second term. A3 means third term. A4 means fourth term. So when we compare this both 1 and 2, so what is the value of A1? A1 is 3, right? So what is the value of A2? A2 means 1. So A3 means minus 1 and so on, right? So it is enough because common difference means A2 minus A1. So he is asking us to find first term, right? So therefore first term is equals to A1, right? So what is the value of A1? A1 is equals to 3. Therefore first term is equals to 3. Okay, friends? So we have find the first term. So now what is our target? Our target is to find common difference, right? So common difference D, right? So common difference D is equals to, what is the formula? A2 minus A1, right? So A2 minus A1. So this is the formula to find common difference. So what is the value of A2? A2 is 1. So minus, what is the value of A1? A1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So therefore the common difference D is equals to minus 2. Okay, friends? So in this way we are going to find the first term and common difference. So first term is 3. So write as it is. So common difference means A2 minus A1. So A2 is 1, A1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 you will get minus 2. So common difference is minus 2. So let me move on to the question number 2, right? So question number 2. So he has given the values. So for first one, so minus 5 comma minus 1 comma 3 comma 7. Okay, friends, this is what the second question which he has given. So minus 5 comma minus 1 comma 3 comma 7. So compare the given equation. So given arithmetic progression with A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 and so on. Okay, friends. So this is our first step, right? So now here what is the value of A1? Here A1 is equals to minus 5, right? So what is the value of A2? So A2 is equals to minus 1. So A3 is equals to 3. So our target is to find first term, right? So therefore first term means what? A1, right? So first term means A1. So what is the value of A1? A1 is minus 5. So therefore first term A1 is equals to minus 5. So next we must find common difference, right? So what is the formula for common difference? So common difference means A2 minus A1, right? So common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? So A2 means minus 1 minus, what is the value of A1? A1 means minus 5. So minus 5. So here minus 1, minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. So common difference D is equals to 4. So finally the common difference D is equals to 4. Okay, friends? So first term means minus 5 and common difference means A2 minus A1. Minus 1 minus 5. So minus into minus will be plus. So minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. So common difference is 4. So in this way, so remaining problems, so it is problem number 3 or problem number 4 in a third bit. You may solve by simply substituting the values of A1, A2, A3, right? So A1 means first term. For common difference, D is equals to A2 minus A1. This is the formula. By using this formula, you can find the common difference. So let me move on to the question number 4, right? 1. So he has given 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. So what is our first step, friends? So first step, compare with A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 comma so on, right? So here what is A1? So A1 is equals to 1 by 3, right? So what is A2? So A2 is equals to 5 by 3. So these two are enough because to find a common difference, right? So what is our target? Our target is to find first term, right? So what is first term? First term means A1, right? So what is the value of A1? A1 is equals to 1 by 3. So this is what the first term. Now next, our target is to find common difference, right? So common difference. So common difference, what is the formula for common difference? So common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? So value of A2 is 5 by 3 minus what is the value of A1? A1 is 1 by 3. Okay friends. So here both denominators are 3. So LCM is 3. So now when the LCM is same, so simply subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 by 3. Okay friends. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 by 3. So therefore the common difference D is equals to 4 by 3. Common difference D is equals to 4 by 3. So in this way you can find the first term and the common difference. Okay friends, now let me move on to the question number 4. So which of the following are AP? So it's asking us to find whether the given numbers are in AP or not. So if they are in AP, so our target is to find the common difference and also write next 3 terms. So only if they are in AP, we must find the common difference and write the next 3 terms. See friends, how to check whether the given numbers are in AP or not? So simply, when the common difference is same, then they are in AP, right? So if the common difference is not same, it is not in AP. Okay friends? So first, write in the form of A1, A2, A3, right? So A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, A4, right? So what is value of A1 is equals to 2. What is the value of A2 is equals to 4. And A3 means 8 and A4 means 16. A4 means 16, right? So we must find the common difference. So first common difference D1 is equals to what? A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? A2 means 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. Okay. For these two terms, the common difference is 2. For next, D2 means A3 minus A2. What is the value of A3? 8. So what is the value of A2? A2 will be 4. So 8 minus 4 will be 4. And D3. D3 means A4 minus A3. So what is the value of A4? 16. What is the value of A3? 8. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. See friends, the common difference is 2, 4, 8. Right? So here the common difference is not same. So D1 not is equals to D2 not is equals to D3. Right? So therefore the given numbers are not in AP. The given numbers are not in AP. Okay friends. So first, if in order to find the given numbers are in AP, we must check the common difference. If the common difference is same, then they are in AP. Here the common difference is not same, right? So therefore that is the reason these numbers are not in AP. Okay friends. So let me move on to the second question from the fourth bit, right? So compare this with A1 and A2 and A3, right? So A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 and so on, right? So solution. So whenever we comparing these numbers in the form of A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is the value of A1 friends? The value of A1 is 2, right? So what is the value of A2? A2 is 5 by 2, right? So what is the value of A3? So A3 is 3, right? So again A4 is 7 by 2. So first find common difference. So common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1, right? So A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? 5 by 2, right? A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1. What is the value of A1? 2, right? So 5 by 2 minus 2, this will get so here nothing is there, LCM is 1. So 1 table 2 times, so 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 by 2. Finally we will get 1 by 2. Okay friends, hope you understood. So 5 by 2 minus 2. So if nothing is there, then the denominator is 1. So 2 comma 1, LCM is 2. So in 1 table 2 times, so 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 will be 1 by 2. Next, for common difference 2, A3 minus A2, right? So now for these two we have done common difference. Now for these two, So here A3 minus A2, that means 3 minus 5 by 2, right? So 3 minus 5 by 2. So if nothing is there, then the denominator is 1. So 2 comma 1, LCM is 2, right? So in one table 2 times, so 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 5 will be 1 by 2. Okay friends? So now just check for the common difference for the third terms and fourth term. So A4 minus A3, right? So A4 means 7 by 2 and A3 means 3. So if nothing is there, LCM is 1. So for 1 comma 2, LCM is 2. So in one table we have 2 times. So 3 to the 6. So 7 minus 6, right? So 7 minus 6 will be 1. So 1 by 2. See friends, the common difference is same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right? So since D1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3, the given numbers are in AP. Given numbers are in AP. Okay friends? When the given numbers are in AP, when the common difference is same. So we got the common difference same. So that is the reason the given numbers are in AP. So he asked to find if the given numbers are in AP, find a common difference and next 3 terms, right? So common difference D is equals to what is the common difference, right? So 1 by 2 friends. So common difference D is equals to 1 by 2. So this is what he has asked. Next, he also asked to find the next 3 terms, right? See friends, up to 4 terms he has given. So our target is to find 5th term and 6th term and also 7th term. Okay friends. So in the previous class I have told how to find the nth term. So for 5th term, what is the formula? A5 is equals to A plus 5 minus 1 into D, right? Already you know A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is what? 5. So 5 minus 1 into D is 4D, right? So 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 4D. So what is the value of A? A is first term, right? So 2 plus 4 into what is the value of D? D is 1 by 2, right? The value of D, common difference is 1 by 2. See friends, here 2 1s are and 2 2s are will get cancelled. 2 into 1 will be 2. So 2 plus 2, the final result is 4. Therefore, the 5th term is equals to 4. And next 6th term, right? So A plus 6 minus 1 into D, right? 6 minus 1 into D. So 6 minus 1 means 5D, right? So A plus 5D. Now substitute the values of A and D. So A is 2 and D is 1 by 2, right? So D is 1 by 2. So this will get 5 by 2, right? 5 by 2. So if nothing is there, the LCM is 1. So 1 comma 2, LCM is 2. So 1 table 2 times 2, 2 2s are 4, right? So 4 plus 5 will be 9 by 2. Therefore, 6th term is equals to 9 by 2. Okay friends? 6th term is equals to 9 by 2. So next 7th term. So 7th term, A7, right? A7 is equals to A plus 7 minus 1. That means 6D, right? So substitute the values. A is equals to 2, 6. D is equals to 1 by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are. 2 plus 3 into 1 will be 3. So 6. A7 is equals to 6. Okay friends. Finally we have found the 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. Therefore, 3 terms are, so next 3 terms, right? So next 3 terms are 4 comma 9 by 2 comma 6. Okay friends, this is the final result. So in this way you are going to find the given numbers are in AP. So if they are in AP, already you know the common difference. So if you want to find the next 3 terms, so we have the formula, right, to find nth term. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 5th term is asking, so a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So similarly, find the 6th term and 7th term. So once if you get the values, so write the next 3 terms are, so what is the value of a5, a6 and a7. So in this way you are going to solve the remaining problems, right? So problem number 3, 4. So simply nothing friends, write the given numbers in the form of a1, a2, a3 and a4 and so on. So write the common difference. So find common difference. What is the formula for common difference? D is equals to a2 minus a1. So already you know the values of a1, a2, a3, right? Substitute the values and you will get the common difference. So once if the common difference is same, they are in AP. If the common difference is not same, then the numbers are not in AP.